make sure that they go in the correct way. The flat part goes in first. There you go. And just pop in the legs into the feet. These are pretty much the same thing. There we go. And here's our legs. Next comes the fun part. The waist. It's 3 simple parts. And while we're here, I'm going to pop these off. What you do is you take with this, like so. Gives a nice little effect in there. With this, just make sure to line up correctly. There's your hips. And tell me on the front here to add 2 decals. So I'll do it on camera this time. There we go. Trim parts are done. So let's put this guy together. So he can at least stand up at me. There we go. And get the arms out of the way for a moment. Go. Here we go. Mini Kshastriya. Now the fun part, building the binders. So first we just take 4 of these. That'll be it for this plate. Will be done for this plate as well. You just start applying polycaps to each end. That's how I see it here. It's just take polycaps and add them to the ends. And I'll do a little cheat here. I'll just start putting them on here. As so. And I gotta say, All these polycaps are crazy, man. I didn't realize that we started a new segment, but I guess this will be a multi-part. So, anyway, there's arms. They're done. Here's how they look on. That's done. So, final part is just to take all these arm parts of the wings, just pop them off. Pop all these wings parts off too. So, and there's also stickers for them, so I'll get that in a minute. What I was going to say was, before I dropped it, here's how they look before having all their parts added on, sticker wise, and these guys added on to these. And finally, here's how it looks with the decals on it. Just those two circles. And all you have to do is pop the polycap on this guy and pop it in there. And finally, just attach all the wings on. This one polycap is pretty weak. So, anyway, this is how he looks finally completed. Still 1 week polycap there. And I gotta say, I really like it so far. I'll have to go back at one point, just panel line them. Shouldn't take too long. But yeah, I would say this is a fun little kit. Mine's had a little tip with this polycap here. But yeah, I would suggest this to anyone. So, hope you guys enjoyed. And I'll see you next time. Take care.